Hello again, it's Darren Manser. Today we're going to be talking about using imagery to enhance our attentional focus. Imagery, which is also called visualization, is creating an experience from memory. The goal of imagery is for you to be able to control your thoughts and emotions, which will help you to concentrate and focus on the game you're playing and ultimately on each pitch that you're making. The more time and effort that you spend creating mental images, the better you will get at it. So don't be discouraged if it's hard at the beginning. The process for forming an image that I'm going to walk you through goes by the acronym PETLEP. This stands for physical, environment, task, timing, learning, emotion, and perspective. You want your images to represent the actual physical movements of the skill that you are visualizing. You want to see yourself in the environment where you are actually performing the skill. You see yourself completing the task exactly the way that you want it to be. Imagine the skill in real time and not in slow motion or rushed motion, but at actual game speed. Imagine the perfect outcome because you have learned the skill perfectly. Imagine the emotions when you make the perfect pitch for the situation. And then you can imagine the skill from a first person or a third person perspective. Now I know that seems like a lot to take in, but let's try a specific example. You are the starting pitcher, and it is now the third inning. You've had 2 strikeouts, a walk, and given up a couple of hits. No one has scored. There's a man on first with 1 out, and the leadoff hitter is up for the second time. You all have a picture in your mind now because you have all been in that situation. You have the ball and step on the rubber. You get the sign from the catcher, check the runner, and in your mind's eye you see yourself throwing the perfect pitch. Fastball, low and inside. The imagined pitch takes less than a second because you are visualizing in real time. You see the result and are now ahead 0-1. You feel strong and confident that you are in control of this game. You inhale, you exhale, then start your motion and execute the actual pitch. Can you see it? The more you practice this imagery, the better you'll get at it, and it will help you focus your attention when you are on the mound as you keep your mind directed on the task at hand. You can use this mental tool to focus your concentration for other positions, when you are at bat and even in school. Keep your images positive, see yourself doing things perfectly, and work to make that vision a reality.